Hey folks, Todd here. If you need the function of a hard folding truck bed cover, but you'd like to have something painted to match your truck, well, you can have both with the UnderCover Fusion from RealTruck. The Fusion has an ultra low profile and is constructed of hard folding panels that are painted to match your truck's factory paint code. Your tailgate must be lowered in order to open the cover, so when your tailgate is locked, your gear will be more secure than if it was locked inside the cab. It shelters your cargo from the elements, and the rails have a built-in gutter system that's designed to channel excess water out of your bed through drain tubes. To operate the Fusion, simply pull the cable on either side of the cover and fold the panel forward. Once you fold the second panel, it can be secured in place with the built-in straps, so you can drive with your bed partially covered. And if you want full bed access, you can lift the last panel and secure it with the integrated prop rods so you can safely haul your cargo even at highway speeds. The bottom of the Fusion panels are finished with a durable fiber headliner that has a plush look, but offers the rugged performance that you expect from a truck bed. The UnderCover Fusion is proudly made in USA and is backed by a 5-year warranty on the components and a limited lifetime warranty on the paint. So when you're ready to upgrade your truck, call the experts or visit us online.